Hi everyone. Today we are discussing the most important perspective regarding Amazon e-commerce business. The rise of e-commerce has significantly impacted retailers' business models as well as intensified consumerism. The increased trend of online shopping is reshaping the footprint of retail, replacing traditional bricks and mortar stores and in-store customer service with an efficient yet more impersonal shopping experience. While the retail industry consistently evolves, the rise of e-commerce are arguably its most significant transformation. The saturation of consumer reviews and product descriptions online allows consumers to remain just wait. Okay. Online consumers to deliver the same day and same purchase in some cases. While there is a copious amount of e-commerce companies, the most net network and all the Amazon articles are assessing the damage of the Amazon effect. Author Steve Dennis exemplifies the impact of Amazon on the retail industry. Dennis refers to Amazon as an 800-pound gorilla, crediting Amazon with reshaping shopping dynamics, disrupting supply chains, and bearing immense pricing and margin pressure on market segment. The company chooses to enter. Amazon's integration into a market does not go unknown to its competitors. Its competitors are consumers with these areas of impact greatly affecting the future success of the companies within Amazon's chosen markets. For example, Amazon's influence is different from other online stores and physical stores. This channel is the book industry and the most recently grocery stores. With its recent acquisition of Whole Foods has resulted in store closing and bankruptcies. Dennis acknowledges that Amazon is not a blame for department store failures, but its impact cannot be ignored in 2016.